The story of Jonah and the whale, dito na sa story of Jonah and the whale, comes from the Old Testament. What can be inferred as to the kind of literary text this story is? Oh, okay. Nakita niyo ng sagot. Okay, kaloka. A, folklore. B, mythology. C, legend. D, folk music. Yung sagot natin dito ay mythology po. May delay talaga sa live. Delay siya. Pero okay lang yan. Yes, this is an example of mythology. Now, take note bakit mythology yung Jonah and the whale? Dahil sa story na ito, merong God. God is mentioned in the story. As long as there is the presence of God in the story, automatically consider it as mythology. Although to us, of course, who are believers of God, we don't really consider this as a myth. We consider it as something true. Okay? Nagliwanag na yung mukha ko kasi ang dilim. Okay. Okay, let's now continue. Now, there are also these type of questions sa board exam. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, this is a Gen Ed concept. Gen Ed na ito. Okay? Pero I would just like to point this out. Okay? So sa Gen Ed, they would ask you the philosophy of our folks during the pre-Hispanic days and embodied the practical philosophy of native pre-Hispanic days Filipinos. So ano naman yan? Proverbs ba or folklore? Oh. Saan ba dyan yung proverbs? Saan naman dyan yung folklore? Is it the first one or the second one? As you can see, they are almost the same yung definitions. Di ba? They're almost the same. Parang magkapareho lang naman yan. Pero actually, meron kasing term na practical philosophy. Yung isa, philosophy lang. Yung isa, merong term na practical. And that word practical makes a big difference sa pagkuha ng tamang sagot. Do you understand? So kaya nga minsan, ito yung nakakaloka sa pag-memorize ng answer key. What if you forget na meron pa, what if you didn't encounter yung other option na ito, yung other way of questioning? Most likely you will get the wrong answer kasi you said, parang ganito yun, di ba? So it's important that you are exposed to many items, okay? As well. So this answer, the answer here, basta philosophy lang, ano yan? Folklore. Basta philosophy lang, ano yan? Folklore. Pero, if merong practical na term sa philosophy, this is now proverb. Bakit ba siya practical? Because it's applicable to real life. It's easily applicable. That's why it's practical. Eh? Pero if philosophy lang siya, folklore siya. Now take note, your folklore comprises many things. Yung folklore na yan, hindi lang yan isang bagay, hindi lang yan philosophy. Yung philosophy na yan, it comprises many things. Okay? So folklore may also include your beliefs, your practices. Okay, it may also include your stories. It may even include your folk songs. It may even include your folk tales. Okay? And it may also include your myths and your legends. So yung folklore is all encompassing. And also your folklore may also include your proverbs. So yung folklore is very broad talaga. So that's why when it becomes practical na philosophy, proverbs na siya. So